Boy, what is you looking at? Shit, I'm looking at you, little cute ass. Nah. Boy, don't even. Shit, what your name is? LaShonda. And who is you? Oh, that's a beautiful name. That's my dog name. Nah, jig, tripping. Nah, but I'm DeQuayshawn, but you could call me your man. Oh, boy, please, who you think you is? I'm saying, let me take you out of some. I actually got a man, and he don't play that. Thank you, though. You know, I ain't want to take your ugly ass out anyways. Nah. Boy, who you talking to like that? Don't make me get my man up in here. Bro, can y'all chill out? I wish you would bring him in here. See what I do to him. Nah, Jit a menace to society. You can't bring this man nowhere. That's crazy.